Question number 11 is, find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2, 3 and minus 1, 1 and whose center is on the line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0. Again, we will start with the equation of the circle taking as x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Since it is passing through, since equation number 1 passes through 2, 3, we will get, replacing x and y with 2 and 3, 2 minus h the whole square plus 3 minus k the whole square equal to r square. Equation number 2. Again it passes through the point minus 1, 1, we get minus 1 minus h the whole square plus 1 minus k the whole square equal to r square. This is equation number 3. Now again both the right hand side are r square, so that we can equate the LHS of 2 and 3. So from equation number 2 and 3 you will get 2 minus h the whole square plus 3 minus k the whole square equal to minus 1 minus h the whole square plus 1 minus k the whole square, which will after simplification give you 4 plus h square minus 4h plus 9 plus k square minus 6k is equal to, this is negative, you can take out so that it becomes 1 plus h the whole square, and negative the whole square will give you positive. So minus 1 minus h the whole square is same as 1 plus h the whole square. So you'll get 1 plus h square plus 2h plus 1 plus k square minus 2k. H square and k square from both sides get cancelled. Remaining you are getting here minus 4h. Here you have plus 2h, which will come here as minus 2h. Again you have minus 6k, this will come here as plus 2k, and rest of the terms, this is plus, this is 13, and here you have 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 minus 13. Correct? So here you are getting minus 6h, this is minus 4k is equal to minus 11. Or you can remove the negative sign throughout, cancelling it or taking out, you will get 6h plus 4k is equal to 11. Let it be equation number 4. Okay, now again you have the center is lying on the line x minus 3y equal to 11. So that you can replace h and k in this equation for your x and y. So since the center h comma k lies on the line x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0, we have h minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0 or equal to 11. So this is your equation number 5. Now you have to solve this fourth and fifth equation in order to get the value of h and k. This is 6h, here you have h. So we can multiply fifth equation with 6 in order to get the coefficient of h as 6 for both the equations. So this will become 6h minus 18k is equal to 66. So we have replaced x and y with h and k. Okay, this is one equation, and the fourth equation was 6h plus 4k equal to 11. Now subtracting the two equations, h will go and you will get minus 18k minus 4k, which is minus 22k is equal to 66 minus 11, 55. So that you are getting k as minus 55 by 22, which is minus 5 by 2. So the value of k is minus 5 by 2. Now you have to find out what is h. You can replace in any of the equations. This is simple. So therefore, putting the value of k as minus 5 by 2 in equation number 5, you will get h minus 3k. h minus 3k is equal to 11. So you will get h is equal to 3k plus 11. That is 11 minus 3 into 5 by 2. That is plus 3 into minus 5 by 2, right? So you are getting 11 minus 15 by 2, that is 22 minus 15 by 2, or this is 7 by 2. So the value of h is 7 by 2. Therefore, you got the center as h comma k. So 7 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2. Now you have to replace this value in either of these equations 2 and 3 in order to get the value of r square. Okay. So replacing h and k in equation 2, what you will get, equation 2 becomes 2 minus 7 by 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 5 by 2. So it is 3 plus 5 by 2 the whole square equal to r square. That is, here we get 4 minus 7 minus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 6 plus 5, 11 by 2 the whole square equal to r square, which gives r square as, this is 9 by 4 plus 121 by 4. That is, r square you are getting to be how much? 130 by 4. Okay, so the value of r square is 130 by 4. Now putting these values, that is h is equal to 7 by 2, k is equal to minus 5 by 2, and r square is equal to 130 by 4. In equation number 1, what you will get, x minus 7 by 2 the whole square plus y minus of minus 5 by 2, y plus 5 by 2 the whole square is equal to 130 by 4. Okay, so here you will get x square plus 49 by 4 minus 2 into 7 by 2 into x. So you will get minus 7x plus y square plus 25 by 4 plus 2 into 5 by 2 into y will give you 5y is equal to 130 by 4. Now just taking the LCM, or you can just say that you are just cross multiplying this 4 to the other side. What you will get is 4x square plus 49 minus, this will give you 28x plus 4y square plus 25 plus 20y equal to 130. Okay, and 4x square plus 4y square minus 28x plus 20y, and all these things, that is 49 plus 25, and this will come here as minus 130 will give you minus 56 equal to 0. Now here you can take out 4, so that this becomes x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y minus 14 equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y minus 14 equal to 0 will be the equation. Next is question number 12, which is find the equation of the circle with radius 5 whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Center, that means radius is given, and what is the quality of center given as? It is lying on the x-axis. Now we know that any point on the x-axis will have its second coordinate, that is y coordinate, to be 0. So you can choose the center of the equation of the circle as, normally it is h comma k, here we will choose h comma 0. Okay, so let the center of the circle be h comma 0. Why? Since it lies on the x-axis. Okay, and radius r is given to be 5. Now we can start with the equation. So what will be the equation with this condition? Therefore, equation of the circle will be x minus h the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square equal to 5 square. That is x minus h the whole square minus plus y square is equal to 25. Okay, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square form. now what is our purpose is to find what is the value of h, and that will give you the equation. Okay, so let it be equation number 1. Now again one more point is given, that is it is passing through 2, 3. So since equation number 1, that is the line, sorry, the circle passes through the point 2, 3. We can replace x and y with 2 and 3. So we'll get 2 minus h the whole square plus 3 square is equal to 25, or 2 minus h the whole square is equal to 25 minus 9, which is 16, and you will get 2 minus h to be plus or minus 4. 2 minus h the whole square is 16 means 2 minus h can be either 4 or minus 4. So according to this, you will get two values of h, that is either 2 minus h can be 4 or 2 minus h can be minus 4. So here you are getting h as 2 minus 4, which is minus 2. So one value of h is minus 2, and here you will get 2 plus 4 is equal to h, or h is equal to 6. So h can be either minus 2 or 6, and accordingly we will get the equation of the circle, two equations of the circle. Now we will just replace. When h is equal to 6, what you will get, equation 1 becomes 6. So x minus 6 the whole square plus y square equal to 25, or x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square equal to 25, or x square plus y square minus 12x. Here you have plus 36 minus 25 will give you plus 11 equal to 0. So this is one equation. Now when h is equal to minus 2, equation 1 becomes x minus h. So it is minus of minus plus 2 the whole square plus y square is equal to 25, or x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square equal to 25. That is x square plus y square plus 4x. Here you have 4. This will come here as minus 25. So that you will get minus 21 equal to 0. So this is the second equation. Okay. Next 13th one is find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts a and b on the coordinate axis. So I have drawn a rough figure in which the circle is passing through the point 0, 0 and it is making intercepts a and b. That means it is touching the x-axis at a distance of a and the y-axis at a distance of b. So that you know that on the x-axis the coordinate will be a, 0, and on the y-axis the coordinate will be 0, b. So actually you have 3 points and you have 3 unknowns also. But here in this question I am starting with the general equation of the circle, which will be easy to get the answer. Okay, so general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now in this equation the unknowns are g, f and c. We have to get these 3 unknowns. Okay, so first thing which they have given us, it passes through the origin 0, 0. So since equation 1 passes through the origin, what we will get is we can replace x and y with 0 in order to get one of the variables or one of the unknowns, you can say. So you'll get 0 plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c. So you'll get c equal to 0, one thing. Okay, now again, since it passes through a comma 0, you will get a comma 0 and 0 comma b to be replaced here in order to get another 2 equations. But before that, I'll tell you, you can just replace the value of c in this equation so that the equation gets reduced. Okay, therefore equation 1 becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. Now equation 2 is your final equation in which you can replace your value of g and f. Again, since equation 2 passes through a comma 0, we will get replace x with a and y with 0. So we'll get a square plus this 0 2GA. This is again 0 because y is 0, equal to 0. So from here you will get a square is equal to 2GA, or 2G is equal to A, or G is equal to A by 2, right? Now again it passes through 0 comma B. The same equation passes through 0 comma B. Okay, here you have a negative. A square is equal to minus 2GA, that is minus 2G, and here you will get a negative sign, sorry. Here. Now again it passes through 0 comma B. You will get this to be 0 because x is replaced with 0 and y is replaced with b, so that you will get b square plus 2fb equal to 0. Again 2fb is equal to minus b square, or 2f is equal to minus b, or f is equal to minus b by 2. So you got g and f. C already you have substituted. So replacing the value of g and f in equation number 2, it becomes x square plus y square plus 2g is minus a by 2 into x plus 2 into f is minus b by 2 into y is equal to 0. That is, you will get it to be x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. This is the equation. Question number 14 is, find the equation of a circle with center 2, 2 and passes through the point 4, 5. So again the center is given already, and that means you have only r to be found out in order to write the equation, and for that one more point is given, that is the circle passes through the point 4, 5, and that will help us to find out what is the value of r. Okay, so the equation of a circle with center, if it is h comma k we know, so here with center 2, 2 is x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to r square. Now our unknown is r square, we need the value of r. Okay, that should be equation number 1. Now what they are saying, it passes through 4, 5. That means it will satisfy the equation. 4, 5 will satisfy the equation. Okay, since equation 1 passes through the point 4, 5, we have 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus 2 the whole square equal to r square. That means 2 square, which is 4, plus 5 minus 2, 3, 3 square is 9, which is equal to r square. Or you can say r square value is 13, right? You need not find r because you have to replace in this. Therefore equation 1, that is the equation of the circle, becomes x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equal to 13. Expanding, you will get x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to 13, or x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. Here you have 8. This 13 will come here, minus 13 plus 8 will give you minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Question number 15 is, does the point minus 2.5, 3.5 lie inside, outside or on the circle x square plus y square equal to 25? So the given equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 25, right? Now making in the standard form, what we can write is, it is x square means it is x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square, and 25 can be written as 5 square, right? So this is in the standard form. This is in the standard form, or in the form, which form? X minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So that you can say where h comma k is 0, 0, that is origin, and r radius is 5. Now what we will do is, the given point is lying inside or outside or on the circle. In order to test that, we will just find the distance of this point with the origin. If this distance is less than 5, we can say that the point is inside the circle. Now if it is greater than 5, it will be outside the circle, and if it is 5, it will be on the circle. Okay, that means when we draw the circle, you can say that according to this is 0, 0, and this distance is 5, right? So if you are getting the distance, suppose that point we don't know where it lies, outside or inside, what we are checking is the distance between the two. If it is less than, giving you this distance less than 5 between this point and 0, 0, then it will be somewhere here. If it is greater than 5, it should be outside, and if it is 5, it should be lying on the circle. Okay, so what we are doing, we are finding out the distance between 0, 0 and the point given, which is minus 2.5 comma 3.5. Okay, is equal to, your distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So here you will get minus 2.5 minus 0 the whole square plus 3.5 minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to root of, so it will become 2.5 the whole square, which is 6.25, plus 3.5 the whole square, which is 12.25. So that you are getting this to be 18.50 or 18.5, right? And root of 18.5 is somewhat 4.3. Okay, 4.3, and this 4.3 is less than 5. Therefore, we can say that the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lies inside the circle x square plus y square equal to 25. Okay, lies inside the circle. Understood?